Alright, so now I'm going to go over wiring with you a little bit here. My last video did kind of the tail lights themselves and some features. Alright, so let me see here actually. So what we're going to have is a controller, which I mounted mine right here. My trunk's obviously gutted. Forgive me for this ugly monstrosity in here, but so this is going to be your controller. It has two outputs. These two outputs are going to run to your splitters. Oh, where are they? Right there. I got one right there, and then one's mounted here. We can go a little bit higher with it. Probably be better. It doesn't matter really, I guess. But you can see the back of the splitter has one plug. So it runs from that all the way down. I ran mine down underneath along the edge of the trunk to my controller. And then the other one runs from this one down underneath and then up to that controller. Sorry, it's a little ugly in here right now. I haven't finished up the wiring. Got the car running and I've kind of slacked on cleaning up the stuff, the little odds and ends that I had to change and stuff. So you will have this thing to hook up. So I'll hook this thing and this thing up. Got a little wire harness here that I'll have. So you just plug in this, plug this in, plug in these connectors. You're going to have 4 outputs here. You're just going to use any 2 of them. One will go up to the trunk lights, which that's this one. I run it up this thing, up this, in through this hole here, and then up into the tail lights. I recommend you keep these in, these old plugs, to make sure that they get sealed up. And then obviously the other one, harness right here, down this thing, and into the RGB control splitter. And then you'll have your other one, runs from another one of these splitters. Mine runs down under my battery and up and plugs into this. I'm going to reuse this off of your car. I'm going to show you over here. This tail light I got unhooked so I can show you what's going on back here. There's not too much, but like I said, I recommend leaving these in so that can't hold that a little too much. Pop the little rubber out. They're sealed up. I'm gonna have the harness go through your OEM plug. Leave the rubber boot on. So I need the harness so that I can reuse these and reuse this harness. So you can just connect in. I need to use this one. The other side is missing wires in it. So pretty straightforward there. I'll have to plug that back in a second. I don't know what else to show you back here. Oh yes. Okay, controller. So basically the connections you're going to have, this will be soldered in. Plug it in over here. 2 wires go to the splitters. Splitter split into the one side of the tail and one on the trunk light on both sides. So this is going to be your power. And what you need to do, so this yellow wire and this black wire should be hooked up for you. This one right here is something you're going to have to hook up. This is a switched power and a ground. So you want them ran to something that comes on when the car switches on, not the constant power. Otherwise,